We have a name for it.
Okay.
The snow bunny crisis.
Okay.
I am against the snow bunny crisis.
I ain't never thought I was gonna marry a white girl until I actually had a white girlfriend. Then I'm like, I'm gonna get married to this white girl. Shit, I'm just saying, don't knock it till you try it, Umar. Like, blizzard, that shit amazing. Umar gonna try it one time, he's gonna come back like, I understand, my brothers. Blizzard. I'm joking around, marry who y'all love, bro. Race is not that serious for y'all to be focused on it like that, to be honest.